How to fix the Telegram SMS fee problem. If you're seeing an SMS fee when trying to log in to Telegram, you're not alone. This is a relatively recent change that Telegram has introduced in some regions. When Telegram determines that SMS verification may be expensive or risky for a particular login attempt, it may ask you to pay a fee before sending the verification code. The first thing you should do is make sure you're using the official Telegram app. Avoid using modified versions, APK files, or unofficial Telegram clients, as these can sometimes cause login issues. Next, try connecting to a stable Wi-Fi network and attempt to log in again. In some cases, switching networks can help resolve temporary verification problems. You can also try clearing the Telegram app's cache. To do this, open your device's settings, go to Apps, find Telegram, and tap on it. Then select Force Stop and clear the app cache. After that, reopen Telegram and try signing in again. Another option is to install an older version of Telegram. Some users report that older releases may not display the SMS fee prompt. To do this, open your preferred browser and search for Telegram on APK repositories that offer previous versions. Navigate to the older versions section and download a version released in 2024 or early 2025. Once installed, try logging in again. Keep in mind that this method is not guaranteed to work because the SMS fee is often controlled by Telegram servers rather than the app itself. If the fee screen continues to appear, there may not be a legitimate free way to bypass it. Avoid using unauthorized tools or methods, as they could violate Telegram's policies and potentially lead to account restrictions. For the best long-term experience, log in successfully once and then enable two-step verification or a passkey. Also, keep Telegram signed in on at least one trusted device to reduce the chances of facing future login issues. Those are some of the most effective solutions you can try. Hopefully, one of them helps you resolve the problem. If you found this video useful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.